Do you know how to transform a word by giving it a new ending? I'm talking about suffixes here. Hi, I'm Mafalda from BaseLang, and today I'll teach you the most important suffixes in Spanish. But first, make sure to check out baselang.com, where you get access to unlimited one-on-one Spanish classes with native-speaking teachers online. Now let's get started with today's lesson on the most common Spanish suffixes. First, what are suffixes? A suffix is a word ending that modifies the original word's meaning, grammatical function, or part of speech. Examples of English words with suffixes include clearly, friendship, kindness, or likable. Okay, so now we're ready for the most important ones in Spanish. The easiest Spanish suffix is probably mente, which turns an adjective into an adverb. Your equivalent in English is li. Rápido becomes rápidamente. Claro evolves into claramente. Exacto gives exactamente, and suave turns into suavemente. Now let's see the suffix sion, which converts a verb to a noun. With some verbs, we use sion instead. Your equivalents in English usually appear as shun or shun. Let's see some examples with sion. Informar becomes información. Traducir changes to traducción. Conversar produces conversación. And introducir morphs into introducción. And now, how about some examples with sion? Decidir brings about decisión. Dividir becomes división. Permitir transitions into permisión. And incluir is now inclusión. Next, we have a suffix that turns a noun into an adjective, oso. You have a few different suffixes in English that do this, like us, ate, y, or full. Let's see. Cariño turns to cariñoso. Peligro becomes peligroso. Lluvia morphs into lluvioso. And gloria is now glorioso. Remember that as adjectives, these also have feminine and plural forms. Let's finish up with a Spanish suffix that's probably the most fun, ito and ita. Adding these two nouns creates what we call diminutives, which are basically affectionate little versions of the original noun. English examples of this aren't so common. Imagine you see a cute baby and you say, "Oh, what a cutie patootie," or a small dog and you say, "Oh, what a sweet little doggy." You're creating diminutive forms. We do this a lot in Spanish. We just add ito to a masculine noun and ita to a feminine noun. Sometimes we need to add a si for pronunciation, cito, cita. Obviously, creating diminutives is very common with people and animals. From madre, we get madrecita, niño changes to niñito, perro becomes perrito, and gato is now gatito. It's also very normal to add ito and ita to inanimate objects to say affectionately that they're small or cute. From una casa, we have una casita. Pan becomes pancito. Calle turns into callecita, and plato can be platito. We can even double or triple the diminutive suffix to make it extra cute. Perro becomes perrito. Cuchara changes to cucharita. Flor can be florecita. And árbol turns into arbolito. That's enough for today. There are other suffixes in Spanish, but you've just seen the most important ones. For a more complete list, check out our blog post in the link below. And remember, if you want to practice these in real conversation, make sure to check out baselang.com, where you get access to unlimited one-on-one Spanish classes with native-speaking teachers via Zoom. Sign up today and try your first week for just $1. If you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more quick lessons like this one. Thanks for watching. Hasta la próxima.